elegant, reserved, contemplative, beautiful. The young woman shown here reflects the height of grace and virtue for her time. Painted by the Flemish master Rogier van der Weyden in the mid-1400s, this woman's folded hands, alabaster skin, fair hair, and balanced features are meant to reflect her inner character, while her rings, delicate veil, rich black dress, and vibrant red belt suggest her wealth and high social status. A painting like this one, depicting a person presumably from life, is called a portrait. So what is a portrait? A portrait is a depiction of a real person, someone who the artist may have known and observed directly. Independent portraits like this one, where the whole work of art is dedicated to replicating the features of a single person, became popular in European art of the 15th century. They are usually bust-length, meaning the sitter, or the person being depicted, is shown from the chest and shoulders up. Sometimes very important figures, like rulers or statesmen, get shown in full length, but this was not the norm. A portrait is always meant to be visually recognizable. Viewers have to know who they're looking at, but are almost invariably idealized to reflect that person in the best possible light. Sometimes this might mean an artist smooths away unflattering features, or it might mean that the sitter's dress or demeanor is presented in a flattering way. Portraits are more than just a way to preserve someone's physical likeness. Your portrait is intended to provide insight into your inner self, your character and values. Though her identity is lost to us, Rogier's fair beauty shows the thoughtfulness and restraint that were considered key aspects of female virtue in the 15th century. Did this woman really look like this? That we will never know. Did she or her family want her to be remembered this way? Absolutely.